friends, this is Medhavi. Today we have to work on interfacing of LED with STM32F1. For writing this code, we are using Keil compiler and STM32Cube MX. This is my STM32F1 board. And this is the pin diagram. These are the GPIO pins in blue color. 2 SPI ports are there. This one SPI 1 and SPI 2 in red color. In yellow color UART ports are there. In green color SPI pins are there. These are the CAN pins. These are the analog pins. These are the VCC, ground, reset, this thing. So now open CubeMX. This is my CubeMX software. CubeMX software. With the help of this, we write the code. This one. Go to the access to MCU selector. Taking time. Enter STM32F1. We are working on 103. 103. See it. Okay. Click. Double click. Then this is our IC. So zoom it first. We have to use these two pins for the GPIO. So right click and select GPIO output. This is also click and GPIO output. We are using two pins. After that, go to the GPIO, select this one and give the name. Suppose we give to name LED1. Small letter on any LED1. After that, this one, then GPIO again, then click second one. Then LED2, and go to the this one. Then after that RCC, work on crystal ceramic. Select crystal ceramic in the system. We are not using this one. This is okay. Then this is our. We are using these two. LED. This is for the LED purpose. We are giving LED1. This is for LED2. These are the oscillator pins. So after that, go to the generate code. Give the project name. Give the project name. Suppose you have to write anything LED. Go to browse option. The location. STM32F1. Open this one. This is one automatic make one LED folder. Then work on MDK ARM. Which version? We have to work on 4th Keil MuVision 4 version. Then after that generate code. This code is generated in Keil. Some time. Generating code. These are the syntax for LED. Hall, GPIO for right pin. Suppose you have to work on LED1 for the pin number P13 pin. This is a P13 pin. Give the LED 1 name and second one is LED 2 name. LED 1, then GPIO port, then LED 1, then pin 1 is for high and 0 is for low. Okay, we have to connect our IC system like this one. This is our microcontroller. This is my LED. Anode part is connected with controller and cathode part is connected with ground. Okay, it means you have to give 1 for high and 0 for low. Now it's generated, or yeah, generated. Now open project. This is my project. Go to the application, then main, then after that go to here, void main, this code in between while 1, this code first I will explain. In while 1 folder, there is a while 1. This is my while 1. So copy it. This is for 1 is for high and 0 is for low. This is function for delay function. HL underscore delay. 100 means 100 millisecond. After that first on, after that off, then on, then off. This is the syntax or function. HL GPIO write pin for writing 1 or 0 with the help of this function. Okay, after that providing delay, then function for LED, then delay, then function. This is for LED 1, on, then off, then on, then off. First LED on, then second one, then first off, then second on, then second off. Okay, so this is our code. After that, build it. This one, build option, build output is there. No error is there, means after that, after compilation, go to the load button. Load is used for download this software to the hardware. Okay. Loading type. Okay, it's 0 error. After that, download. Okay, hardware implementation is given in my next video and link is given in the comment box. Okay, thank you.